Welcome to Hexa Guide. In this video, I will show you how to play Need for Speed, most wanted on Steam without using the EA app. If you try to launch the game directly from Steam, it usually opens the EA app, which can cause errors or fail to launch completely. To fix this, we will use a software called Project Lightning. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to check out my previous video where I show how to set it up. Open Project Lightning and click on the Bypass section from the side menu. Select EA from the list of platforms. Here, scroll down and find Need for Speed, Most Wanted. Now, click on Apply Fix. It will ask you to select the folder where your game is installed. Navigate to your Steam Games folder, select the Need for Speed Most Wanted folder, and click Select Folder. Project Lightning will download and apply the fix. Once done, you will see a message saying Game Ready to Play. Now, open your game installation folder again. Find the main game executable file and create a shortcut for it on your desktop for easy access. Double-click the desktop shortcut to launch the game. As you can see, the game opens smoothly without opening the EA app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes and gaming guides.